Okay, so now we're on our next collection. It says collection number 4, but we're not going there. What I asked you to do is then move on to collect multiples. So I'm going up to this tab to do collect multiples. So far we had a subscript, and our subscript had told us how many atoms of that particular atom there were. Now we're going to look at here, and we have a coefficient. Just like in math, this means that there are 2 carbon dioxide molecules. So when you go to make it, you need to make 2. We have oxygen and hydrogen down here right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look to see which one would do oxygen and hydrogen. I have nitrogen and hydrogen. I have hydrogen. I have 2 oxygens. So if I go here and I make 1, I put it here. Now I need to refill the kit again, and I need 2 of them. So I'm going to make 2 of them. Once I have that, I am able to then complete that part. So if I look over here and I have oxygen, carbon, and nitrogen, I have hydrogen in another one. But let's look at the carbon and the oxygen. So if I go carbon, oxygen, oxygen, that's 1 molecule. I can put it here. But if I look at the coefficient, it tells me I want 2 molecules. So I've got carbon, oxygen, and oxygen again. So now I have 2 of the molecules. I have 2 different elements, carbon and oxygen. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4 oxygen atoms and 2 carbon atoms. Okay, so I'm going to go to the next kit. I'm going to build my molecule. You're going to fill in the information on your chart. Okay, so I'm looking for H2. And I keep putting more together. But if you notice, I'm making 4 hydrogen molecules. So I'm going to drag them over. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's only 1 element, but there are 8 atoms. Okay, so I'm going to make this one here. There's 1 of the molecules, but I need 2 of them. If you notice, your little box will blink when you get it correct. So collection number 1 for our molecules, where we're looking at the coefficient making more than 1 molecule, is completed. We are going to go right on to collection number 2. So again, our goal tells us how many of each molecule we want. If I look here, we have carbon and hydrogen. I can look down here. I can see I can make a carbon with 4 hydrogen. There's 1. I can do another one because it tells me I want 2. The goal is to make 2 of those molecules. Bring it over. Okay. Look at kit number 2.